Hello and welcome to the New Look Technology Supply Chain newsletter. I'm at Millennium Point today. We are running a workshop on marketing for participants in the West Midlands Health Tech Innovation Accelerator. So that's going really well, but I wanted to tell you what's coming up. Some good news first. At the rugby last week, we raised over £11,000 for Acorns Children's Hospice. So many thanks to the 400 TSC members who attended. It was a fabulous day. If you're looking for a massive grants and funding and support opportunities, download the slides from our Innovation Funding and Support Conference. So this week we're going to cover new TSC memberships. You've asked for more support, so we're delivering it. UK-Taiwan Grants are up to £900,000. If you're interested in exploring opportunities to work with a Taiwanese company on things like smart manufacturing, smart technology, health tech, green energy, all of those things, read on for more information. There's a great event next week on Tuesday, and I'll be on the panel for Made Smarter. We're talking about digital technology in AME supply chains. That's going to be great. Hope to see you there in Wolverhampton. Starting Point Recruitment, one of our patrons, which I'm very proudly the chair of, has got a great deal for you to advertise your vacancies for free. There's a free trial period, so go and check that out below. And finally, Moseley very kindly give us some free tickets for their next match, the last one of the season, at the Rams on the 27th of April at Moseley Rugby Club. You can find your QR code below, scan that, and I hope to see you there. Enjoy.